Hi everyone. So today our agenda is to build FMCG sales performance dashboard. So let's import the data. First, I have created the data set for this particular project, FMCG Sales Performance project, and let's import that data first. And to import the data, we have options, get data, and data is there in Excel format. So I'll choose Excel workbook, and this is FMCG sales performance data. So I'm going to import this one first. This is our first step. So now it is getting imported, and you would see that tables are reflecting. These are the tables. So this is sales fact table is the main table, and these are the dimension tables which I have created. So I'm going to import them one by one. So I have selected all tables here, and we have to click on load. Now after clicking on load, you could see this data is getting imported in Power BI engine. So data would reflect in Power BI engine. So let's wait for a moment, and it is getting imported. So now data is imported. You could see this. Now data is imported, and all tables are reflecting here sales fact, dimension product, dimension payment, dimension date, and dimension customers, and dimension channel, right? So it is getting it is already imported in Power BI. Now next step is, I always say that let's go and click on transform data. Why transform data? Because it is very much mandatory to check whether data type is correct or not, headers are correct or not. So this is very much important to check. So here, dimension channel, you could see this channel key is there, and the sales channel is there, in a store, online, distributor. So those are aligned. Okay, now check for dimension customer. So here also data type is correct, and it is reflecting. Now dimension date. So here also here you could see this in dimension date. This is the date, but it is not reflecting in date format. So what we have to click, we have to choose the date, right? We have to choose the date. So replace current one. So now it is reflecting in a date format. So that's the reason we always go for transform data, to check whether data types are correct or not. Okay, so now it is reflecting correctly. Go for the dimension payment. Here the data is correct. Dimension product, data is correct. Sales fact table also having the correct data. So now what we have to do, we have to click close and apply, so that the changes we have done in transform data will be available here and will be stored. So this is the second step is completed. Third step is that to check the modeling part. So as I have already explained in previous session, and also I have created the particular video where how to do the modelings, right? So as I have explained that if the columns are matching, right? So Power BI engine, what it does, it creates the modeling by itself, right? So here you could see this if I enlarge this, so this channel key, it is already created with sales fact table, right? Here if I check, product key is created, dimension product, this table and this table is created with product key. If I check this one, so date key is created with dimension date, right? If I check here, so this is connected with payment key, and if I check this, then customer key, right? So dimension relationships are already made, we don't have to do anything. Okay, now let's go to Canva space. This is our final steps where we will be building the dashboard. So before building the dashboard, what we have to do, we have to understand that how the wireframe will look like how the visualization will look like where we want to put the title, card visuals or slicers, and then visuals. So let's first thing is that we have to put the title. So to title, we have to click on insert, and here you could see this text box, right? So we have to click on text box. Once you click on text box, so here text box is appearing. So what we have to do, filter is getting enabled, so we can disable this one by clicking here. So now filter is disabled, right? let's put the title. So we have to click on title, which is off, so we'll make it on. And once we make it on, so here text box is appearing, so here we have to put the title name. So we are going to put the FMCG Sales Performance, right? So this is appearing. Let's make it caps. Okay, now we can put some, we can do formatting. We can put subtitle as well here. So put the subtitle, like we have revenue, we can put revenue. So these are the subtitles. Now what we are going to do, we are going to also do the formatting here, this one. So now this looks good. Okay, so this would be likewise. Okay, now we can do some kind of formatting as well, more formattings. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this color as a background color. So see this, so this would be the background color, and if I select this background color, then I'll have to change the text color as well. Okay, so I want to put this as this one. I think this would look good, this color, right? Similarly for subtitle as well, so we are going to select the same color, right? Now it looks good. Now we can do more formatting here as well. So shadow, yes, we want to have shadow inside or outside. So let's make it inside. Like it looks good now, right? So we are done with this, and now let's write the DAX queries. So first we'll click on home, and we have enter data. So we'll click here, we'll put the name, table name. Here you could see this below, table name is appearing. So we'll put this as DAX calculation. So table name is DAX calculation. Okay, and click on load. So here you would find table is created, DAX calculation. Now right click and then click on new measure. So here we are going to write our DAX query. So first, total revenue, we have to find out the sum of the total revenue. So total revenue, okay, equal to, like, put this in caps so it would look good, total revenue. So sum of, what would be sum of fact table, we have to select facts table. So sales facts tables, sales fact table, okay, and revenue. So this column we have to select, right, and close parenthesis. So this is our first DAX query is written. Now let's go for second one, total quantity. Total quantity equal to, so again sum of, we have sales facts table. So sales facts tables, and you would find this column. So we have to select this column and close parenthesis. So second DAX query is also written. You would find all DAX queries are appearing here. Now third one would be total profit. Total profit equal to sum of this and the sales fact table. So you would find the profit column here. We have to select and close parenthesis. Now third column is created. Now fourth one, we have to find out the average order value. So average order value, how it will be calculated, we have to click new and average order value equal to, so we have to use the method like divide and close open parenthesis. So how we will find out the average order value, it would be like total revenue and from order ID, right? So we have to select total revenue, this, and then comma distinct count. Okay, distinct count, this method we have to choose, and then from where sales facts tables. Okay, sales ID and close parenthesis. Now next one is profit margin, right? Profit margin. So let's put the percentage symbol. Then how to calculate? So we'll use divide method again, and to calculate this we'll have to use total profit amount. Okay, total profit comma total revenue, right? This and close parenthesis. So profit amounts. So these are the DAX query we have created. This is not required column, so I'm going to remove this one. So we have to write one more DAX query, which is a last refresh date. Okay, this one. So this is the DAX query for last refresh date. So we will be using this one. So as you could see, this wireframe says that slicer and last refresh date. So first we are going to add the slicers. So to add the slicers, this is our slicer. So we are going to take this one and we'll put here the values. So we'll select the date. Okay, and let's do the formatting here. So to do the formatting, what we have to do, slicers and it's vertical. So we'll select as drop down. So we will click here and data will appear, and then we have selection. So we are going to show the select all also option there, so that if we have to select, we can select. Slicer header is reflecting as month name. This is done. Now what else? Border is also there. So let's do one thing, that put this we can format painter and put it here. Okay, so formatting is done in one go. Now we can change the text color and other things. So let's change the text color. So text this one, and what would be our standard one, this, and text size is okay, no problem. Color would be this one, right? Now come to value. So value is this, it would be like this, and 12 font color would be this, right? So if I check here, so you could see these are appearing, right? These are appearing. Similarly, we have to add for rest 3 visuals. So we will do Control V. Okay, now let's put a space here, little bit space here. So this slicer I'm going to convert into card visual, this one. Okay, now what we have to do for this card visual, we have written last refresh query. So this is our last refresh query, so I'm going to use this one. So to use this, first I have to remove the values, month name and card visual. So I'm going to select the card visual. So let's do the formatting again. So this is 20. Okay, it is reflecting. Let's put 15. Okay, and what we have to do, color coding, and again values. So we have to select this one. Okay, so for these slices we have to change the values only, right? So these slices we have to change the values only. So I'm going to remove month name, I'm going to remove month name, and we have the region, right? We have the region, so we are going to select the region one. So region, it comes here, this is selected. For third slices I have selected sales channel. Now for fourth slices, what I am going to select, the payment mode. Okay, coming to let's see the wireframe. So we have to add the card visuals, KPIs. Okay, so let's start adding the card visuals, and to add the card visual, what we have to do, we have to click on this. Now let's add card visuals here. Okay, so we are going to add here total revenue. So we have written the DAX query, total revenue. So this is selected here. Now what we have to do, we have to do the formatting for this. So we are going to select 20. Okay, and this is our standard one, and color would be this, and then again we have to check category level. So category level font would be this one. Total revenue, let's make it 15, so it would look good, and color code is the standard one. Now what we have to do, we have to format painter, use format painter and put it here, so it looks good, right? Similarly we can do the copy paste, and we'll change the value here. This would be total profit. This would be total profit, then total margin, we will show total margin, and here average, right? So this is done. Now second part, as per wireframe, second part is done. Now we have to go for the final one, which is adding the visualizations. Okay, so let's start adding the visualization here. Add line and clustered column chart. So you could see this here, it would be line and clustered, line and stacked column chart. This would be line and clustered column chart. Okay, so here we are going to add this here. Have to select the month, so date table is there, date, and we have to select date, month, we can select month, then total revenue, we can select from here, total revenue, and margin, right? So profit margin, we have to select the profit margin. So we can put the profit margin here also. Okay, see this, it looks good, right? Now what we are supposed to do here is that formatting. So we'll choose this format pen drive and put it here. So this is done. Now we have to do the little bit formatting as well. Okay, little bit formatting. So let's select this visual and go to x-axis first. So title is auto one, so let it be y-axis. So for y-axis again we have to go for values, and format would be a standard one, 12, and color would be this one. This is done. Now let's go for title. This is done. This 12, color would be this one, so it is appearing, right? Now let's check the legends. So text 12, and the color would be this one. Okay, now line solid one, 3 linear, secondary y-axis. This is done. Title, so we have to select this one, 12, and color would be this. So all are appearing now, right? All are appearing now. So visual is not appearing, only line chart is appearing. So we have to change the background color. So we'll change the background color for this. So we'll select other color. Like if I select white one, so I think it looks good. Okay, so we can put this color here as white. Okay, and we decided in framework that we'll put 6 visualization, but here let's show the data in this manner. We can show likewise as well. Okay, and we can do the copy paste, and then let's create another one. So this would be the donut chart as we decided. So let's change this one, donut chart, and donut chart by visualization, right? So we'll do some formatting here, data labels, then we have to show the values. Click on values. This is 20, let's make it 12. Okay, let's make it 12 or 9. 9. Okay, then this is done. Okay, this is done. It is showing percentage as well, right? Percentage as well. So this is the good one. Now let's go for another visualization. So so I'll do the copy paste and I'll put it below here. Okay, so this would be another chart. So this would be which one? Let's add the bar chart. Okay, so convert this into bar chart, and okay, the data would be the product name. So I'll remove this month. So here also we have to change the values. We have not changed, so we are supposed to show the payment mode versus total revenue, right? So this is our the values. This is the correct one. Now this would be total revenue, like the product from product table, product name, and then total revenue. So this is our visual. Okay, we can do then a color formatting similarly. So let's go for y-axis. So this would be this one, our standard one, 12. This is this one, right? Now go for title. So title color would be, font would be this one. This is 12, right? And color would be the standard one. This is what we have to select. Now go for layouts. So this is done. X-axis, go for X-axis. Again we have to change the X-axis values. So this 12, go for color, there's this, right? Now go for title. So title is this. This would be this one, 12. Okay, color would be this, right? So we are done with formatting. Here also let's check this out, that this is done or not. Okay, so everything is done. Now total revenue by product, total revenue by product mode and product name. This is reflecting total revenue and profit margin by month. Okay, now again we have to change, we have to add visualization. So that would be this. Let's add scatter plot. Okay, so let's Control C and Control V and copy and paste here, right? Done. And this convert into scatter one. So this is a scatter chart. We have to change the logic here. So we are going to remove this one. So we want to show the total revenue here and total profit. So total revenue, let's select total revenue, total profit, and we can add product name as well, product name. So where is the product name? Here it is, product name, right? So this is the scatter plot chart. Here we have to add the logic, since we are adding the map results, we have to add the reason, right? A reason, by reason we have to check the total revenue or total profit. So first we have to add the reason. So reason would be under customer, this one. Okay, reason is added, and we have to add total revenue and profit margin. So we can use this and total profit margin. Format print, and I'll put it here. So this is done. We are done with this. Now what we have to do, let's use the this one, that it is working or not. So select all. Okay, see this data is getting changed. Distributions, so this would be here in reason, right? Now let's select the month, not full April. So data is getting changed. If I select the select or remove and east only. So all data is getting changed here, right? You could see this data is getting changed, and everything is working fine. This one is also card visualization, total revenue, total quality, everything is if I select August month, so see this data is getting changed. If I select all, okay, see this, if I select north, so everywhere you would find visualizations are working, right? If I select wallet, so see this, so these are the this is how you can develop the dashboard in Power BI, and it looks good. Okay, so I would say that I would put all data set in description box. I'll put the data set link in description box, and thank you very much. Thanks for watching this.